Welcome to another episode of Impact in Line. My name is Aditya Natarajan. This is
Somnath Padhi.
वसीम अकरम
आप ना चक नहीं कर रहे हैं बॉल को.
Bro, show that to me.
Yeah.
Man, this is a real ball, bro.
Yeah, this is both
I
outside
think
Lords.
This is the second or third time I'm holding a real ball.
It is a ball
Jesus
bought from
Christ,
a
that was a
souvenir
very-
shop in London, Lords.
Huh?
And my dog is such a cricket lover, has only bit on one side and shined the other.
Bro, your dog is a reverse swing ball.
Lucy Yunus.
Yeah. But, this week has been amazing. IPL is on fire.
Yes.
SRH loses. RCB is weirdly winning.
Yeah.
Yes.
People are starting to hate Dhoni. What the fuck is happening, dude?
Yeah, man, up is down.
Down is up, left is right.
I don't know what the hell is happening.
It is beautiful, bro. It's the complete opposite IPL that everyone predicted. Everyone
Yeah.
thought this is
Yes.
gonna be like a fucking comeback movie of that
Yes,
sort,
yes,
but it's like,
Yes.
I mean, we just done 4 matches per team.
Almost. One has played
Yeah.
5.
Okay, but yeah,
DC
more
has
or
only
less
played 3.
More
Yeah.
or less 4 matches
4
per week.
average,
What
yes.
a fucking
DC
season this
is the only undefeated team till now.
Exactly, and
Yeah.
what a fucking organized team, dude. DC, so much respect because all ballers are coming in together. Batsmen are giving in that. You want water? I've kept it right there.
Okay, thank
I've
you.
kept water also.
Yes.
Every baller is coming together. Every fucking very good team on paper, and fuck, I love it. SRH.
Yeah, of all the coaches, who would have thought Hemang Badani's team would be on top?
Yeah, man.
KL Rahul, Hemang Badani. I mean, that's the team that's on top.
How do you feel, bro? How do you feel about it? 72 or 49. I think that's the
77 or 51.
77 runs,
Yeah,
bro.
but
What-
still, that's like, what is the.
See, bro, that is
strike
bad for Virat Kohli. It's great for Rahul, though.
rate? I completely agree with you. Look at his strike rate, dude. KL Rahul, 150. All right, not bad.
Begrudgingly appreciating.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You are thinking that's a bad strike rate for Kohli. If Kohli did that, people will be shitting on him.
Yes. But considering it's in Chepauk, that's a good.
That's a very good
You
innings.
think about it, that's what he did, Ruth. The difference between these two teams were 51 balls, 77. And this guy scored 54 balls, 69.
Yes.
That is that you see that losing by 25 runs.
Oh, bro,
And
I think
Dhoni,
that
of
losing by
course.
25 runs, it's, I think...
Yeah, it's Tala.
Tala,
Yeah.
But-
25. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Tala for a reason.
But you can't be 65 for 4 and then expect Dhoni. I mean, I will not put on Dhoni. You can't be 65
No,
for
no,
4.
nobody's
bro.
blaming Dhoni.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that they lost because of Dhoni.
Yeah.
I'm saying they didn't even try to win because of Dhoni.
True.
Yes.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
You
was
know
like
what?
they
If-
paid this. You know the best part about CSK? That's what I love. That they bought 15,000 rupees one
Yes,
ticket
yes.
to watch one run out by Dhoni. That's what they paid
True,
for. The
true.
one run out that Dhoni did, fucking the stadium erupted.
But Dhoni is an uncapped player now. So he's punching above his weight.
Yeah.
Bro, I think I feel bad for
He's
Dhoni. Dude.
43
The
years
last
old.
match, he got his parents and all, dude. Bombing in front of your relatives, it's hard, dude.
No, I mean, we'll get to CSK match,
Yes,
right?
definitely.
Yeah.
What are your initial thoughts? Then we'll go into matches.
My initial thoughts, just to commence, who's silent now, bro?
Yeah, wow, I love
Man,
it.
I can't let it go.
It was a good pitch.
Yeah.
Was right up best.
Bro,
You
have...
fucking good-looking son of a bitch.
Yes, dude. You can't be perfect in everything, bro.
Yes.
Though that Rahane 6 to Cummins, dude, it's like, oh, my heart melted, dude.
Yeah.
That pickup shot from length he does. That Rahane, I don't know where he learned it, bro.
Bro,
I
this
think
is like the
I think
CSK.
Somnath just loves to hate and hates to love Cummins.
Oh, poetic. It's like poetic.
It's like, why is he so good-looking? Good, he got hit, but he should get hit by me. I will spank him. Like it's just confusing
I
feelings.
never said
This is like the guy, you know, when the whole day he bitches about Cummins and Cummins at 3 a.m. You up? So I'm not like, yeah, I'm up. What do you want?
Make it sexual. I want to spank his ass.
No, you said in the previous podcast he's like blue eyes, bro.
Yeah, exactly. The blue eyes.
Just like the deep blue sea he's saving.
You guys are all thinking it. I'm just saying it.
Yeah, it's true. But yeah, great to see SRH lose. It's like
That is one good thing, and I think
Travis said not clicking.
Travis had not clicking. We have jinxed Nitish Kumar Reddy, bro.
Yeah, dude. It's actually true. Oh my
sad.
God. I don't know.
Dude, every match he's dropping catches, he's letting
Misfielding,
runs
not
for
doing good
boundaries.
fielding.
He's too quick to the ball. So he's going ahead.
Dhoni plays horribly when his dad watches. Nitish Kumar Reddy only plays when his dad
Dad is
watches.
watching, yeah.
Yes. So that is Nitish Kumar Reddy is like somehow not clicking at all.
This is the first time I'm seeing Nitish Kumar, a player, do a very good dive and miss the ball.
Yeah, I mean,
Like the dive is very flawless. But the ball is behind the boundary
Yes.
ropes.
But batting wise, I thought last match he played decent, right? He got.
No, I know he didn't. He got
19 or
2 sixes
15
and he got out.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, 19 or 15 balls or something.
Yeah, he did 1 6 or 2 6 and then he got out. Nobody batted goal except
Yeah,
Agua.
19 or 15 balls.
19,
Yeah, that's no. In that there is 1-6.
One good shot.
Yeah, one good and the next ball he gets out.
Yes.
He hits for a 6. But yeah, do you have to talk about, I mean, my favorite thing about, what do you have anything more about this week's IPL? Anything like...
One more thing, I want to thank Rabada for for saying that let's call cricket batting.
Yeah.
After that, the pitches have been like very neutral.
Yeah.
I actually, that's what my takeaway from last week's IPL was.
Yeah.
The games are close. And the reason why the bowling team, defending team is winning is not because batsmen are mishitting, but they're actually able to set batsmen up.
Yes.
Add pressure on one end and take wicket on the other.
Yes.
I'm just happy that we are, I'm getting to see like, I'm very happy for Siraj.
Yeah.
Last
Siraj
two matches,
bowled
beautifully.
beautifully.
Like the number of Sues per match has increased.
Didn't like what he did against RCB, but
I mean, come on, you have to do it. What else can you do? This
I mean, he's feeling rejected.
yeah.
Bro, there is no one worse than a rejected boyfriend.
They're like, you kept Yash Dayal
Yeah.
and got me out.
Exactly.
That would hurt.
that would hurt.
That would hurt a lot.
Wait a second. They retained Yash Dayal. I thought they bought Yash Dayal.
No, Yash Dayal was
Yash Dayal
uncapped, no.
Last season also he was with RCB.
RCB
right?
only. Bro, remember that Dhoni 6?
Retained Yash
Yeah,
Dayal.
that strategic full toss he bowled at the end.
Oh,
to
yeah.
Dhoni hit out of the stadium.
Strategic full toss.
They should do one.
Be
like
so bad that we win.
Dude, if they do a biopic, that scene has to go in.
Yeah.
Where he thought it like he would have gone and told Kohli, I'm going to bowl a full toss and
Yeah.
go out of the stadium. New ball will come, we'll win.
Yeah, dude, that is like insane. If you say that is match fixing, it's great match fixing.
Yeah.
It's a great one.
I mean, you remember that this is like that story that Shreyas Iyer told, ki who's most entertaining? He's like Shardul Thakur. They were playing some Mumbai Ranji match.
Yeah, I think I know this.
Yeah. He was like, Ranji match, there's like 9 wickets down. And like 15 runs to win. Shardul Thakur is batting on 30 or 40. He's the one who's got it close. He's the one who has to close this match out.
Yeah.
So everyone's saying, Aram se khel, Shardul, Aram se khel. Last over, he lifts one ball up, high up in the air, mid-on and mid-off converge. They both drop the catch and they run for 2. And then finally Shardul Thakur hits the winning runs. And Shreyas Iyer says, अबे तेरे को बोला था आराम से खेलने को, तू पागल है क्या? मेरे को मालूम था वो कैच छोड़ने वाला है.
Yeah, it's too short.
He's a character, dude.
Yeah.
And he's bowling well, dude.
Yeah,
Very well.
Fuck off to everyone who didn't pick him. Shardul Thakur.
One of the injustice I felt, he should have been in the team in BGT also, bro.
Yes,
he
yes.
has that one tenacity to him, bro.
Yeah.
He's constantly
He's the
looking
only
for
fat
wickets.
guy who's performing.
Yeah. He looks like Rohit Sharma, but he bowls like Brett Lee, bro. Like,
Oh,
No,
I think the variations are fucking kick-ass.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
Variations
Nobody
also.
bowl like Brett Lee, man.
I couldn't get anything.
Fucking one of the most legendary bowlers. They're like sharp.
He bowls like Brett Lee bowls today.
Yeah,
Right. Yeah.
correct. Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
But what I like about Shardul Thakur is he buys wickets. Like it's not like he'll always set a batsman up. He'll be like
Lucy.
"Tu maar re."
Yeah.
Tu maar. Yeah. He'll bait the batsman and get wickets.
Yes,
And he's that aggressive. He's exactly like Agarkar. Expensive but extremely wicket taking.
Strike rate is good.
Strike rate is
I
good.
think that's what we were discussing, right? I think this player, they are so like, what do you call that? Like hit me. They are so inviting.
Yes.
That you end up
Yes.
making a mistake.
Yes.
That like it's,
And they have enough skill to catch you off guard with extra quick pace.
something like
slower
that.
one there.
Yeah.
They're like, ये दो छक्का खाएगा पर एक विकेट दे देगा.
Yeah.
It's like he's the exact opposite of Bumrah.
Yeah.
ये over निकाल. No batsman is thinking that.
True.
Yeah.
ये over निकाल.
Even Punjab was undefeated until the last match.
Oh yeah. Who did they lose to?
Rajasthan Royals.
RR,
Dude,
yes.
it's like this IPL is like crazy. Like
Yeah.
anybody is defeating anyone.
Yeah,
because
yeah, yeah.
Rajasthan.
Anyone's defeating anyone except CSK because everyone's defeating CSK.
Yes, Rajasthan lost 3 matches in a row. when Ryan Parag was captain.
No, they lost.
Samson.
They won one. They won against
one,
CSK.
They won
Yes,
two.
correct.
They lost two.
Yeah.
They won the first one. They lost two, and then Samson now came
No, I
back.
think they won lost the first two, won the third one. That was, I think, second one. Ryan Parag's last match as captain, they won.
They won against CSK. No, dude,
6
opening
runs,
match.
6 runs.
That's not opening. Opening was CSK MI.
Opening weekend.
No, opening was CSK was MI. With
No,
CSK won.
KKR versus.
RCB
No. Rajasthan Royals won the second one.
second one. They didn't win the first one. First
Yeah.
one they lost.
Okay.
So, yeah, I mean, we don't know. But this week, so let's start with the first match.
Yeah.
The most iconic match of this RCB versus
So,
MI.
RCB versus MI at MI.
At MI.
Never
wanted.
won in Mumbai since 2000, some 10 years or
Oh,
something.
dude, we are breaking so many records this
Yeah,
day.
dude. I mean,
Working back 2008 Chennai, Chepauk, we won. Last time we won this year.
RCB got tired of breaking hearts.
Yeah.
breaking records.
What
Yeah.
a match, dude. I
Yeah,
think that
great match.
I think one of the best matches-
Yadav's innings lost them the match.
Yeah,
Who's in
yeah.
it?
Surya
Sky.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, they dropped him twice. It was like, I felt like, don't take his catch. Let him be
Yeah.
at the crease. Because once Pandya came, it almost looked like they were going to win it.
But he was facing the same problem Tilak Verma faced last match.
Last
He was
match.
just not able to middle it.
Not
yeah.
able to middle it. But
not-
this match, fucking what an innings by Tilak, bro.
Yeah,
Bro,
but
half
can I?
Pandya, dude.
Yeah, but
Pandya was crazy.
Yeah.
let's start with RCB,
Yeah,
dude, because it's they lost. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes. yeah.
Mumbai lost. I don't want you to jerk off to Mumbai.
No.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying Pandya and Tilak.
You lose close, bro. It
Yeah.
feels
No,
good.
I'm saying
Yeah.
Pandya and Tilak made the match interesting.
Yeah, you know what? Until last year, when Pandya and Tilak Verma were going the way they were going, RCB would have lost.
Yes.
The professionalism came where we bowled enough good deliveries. Just the right number
Bro,
of good
Bhuvneshwar
deliveries.
Kumar tried a Yorker.
Yeah.
Went short pitch, went for a 6. Still next ball he went for the Yorker.
And it
Yeah.
was a
He
dot
nailed
ball.
it.
It was a
Yeah.
dot ball.
He
Yes.
nailed it. So
He
those-
nailed it.
Yeah.
And then so did Hazelwood.
Hazelwood.
Went for 19 runs.
Yeah.
First 4 balls. Last 2 balls, full and wide Yorker, unplayable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those
Yeah.
2 balls here, the 3 balls here, they built the pressure, and finally RCB figured out how to close a match.
Yes.
Yeah, that they
How to
couldn't.
not panic.
How to not panic.
And I'm so glad they trusted Krunal Pandya, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Trusted him, bro.
I
You
was
are
thinking that they're gonna
experienced.
go to Yash Dayal, and I had like fucking I was so scared.
It's dude, even Rajat Paridar yesterday. He didn't. Did they use the impact player? They didn't use the impact player.
No, Suyash Sharma came in.
Suyash, they did.
But they bowled only 5 bowlers. All bowled 4 overs.
Yeah, because Livingston didn't bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Livingston didn't
That
bowl.
is a crazy call. That
Great
is a
captaincy, dude.
Yeah.
And also when Krunal Pandya got hit crazily, the next over he immediately got Hazelwood. He didn't even
Yeah.
think once.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's like, I need my main bowler
And Pandya
immediately.
still hit him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but that's fine. But that
But
thinking
then
is
he
good.
closed it off with those 2 wide Yorkers.
Correct.
And
Correct.
Those 2 balls made such a big difference.
Yes.
And then fucking Bhuvneshwar came. He had that cushion of 2 balls. He had that momentum.
Dude, I saw 45 balls, 124 or something required.
No,
I'm
it
like,
was 54 of this thing. Last 9 overs, they needed like some 120 or this thing.
Huh.
And then 30, and then the next 30 balls, they scored 88 runs.
Exactly. So I'm like, it's over. So I'm like, not even paying attention. And then Pandya came, belted his brother. No respect at all.
Like, you're the one with the happy marriage.
You get the captaincy, you get the foreign chick, you bastard, you got the tattoos. Yeah.
Yeah. It was so
I'm
nice.
elder than you. You show me something.
But dude, I have to address this. I know I'm like jizzing to MI, but that wicket of Phil Salt, the way
Oh,
Bolt
Trent
set him
Bolt.
up.
Yeah, beautiful.
First ball wide, just give him invite.
Angling away. Yeah.
And the second ball, he was ready. His front foot was already out. He's like, I'm gonna hit
You
you.
want to know how to play that ball, by the way. I know how to play that ball. If you want to know, I can tell you.
How?
Yeah. if
I
you
wanna
want to
know, I
know. If you want to know. Yeah, tell us.
So the thing is, you know, if there
Somnath Ramesh Tendulkar.
if there is an in-swing,
Somnath Lokesh Rahul, bro.
bro, if there is an in-swinging Yorker coming your way,
Who's telling you that? First you tell me that. Will you be
let's assume
Yorker aa raha है, Yorker. Yorker ले लो.
like, I'll tell you.
सुबह से ना Yorker गिरा है.
ना गिरा है in swing.
बादल घने हैं लगता है यॉर्कर आने
Let's
वाला
just assume you know Yorker is coming.
Play all ball for यॉर्कर
You see, bro, you see the hand. You guys don't know, like, let me tell you.
Oh,
that.
sorry.
So you have to look at the hand.
no do it like Wasim Akram like do it like Wasim Akram
You just step out little bit into that, and then you just drive straight drive.
it'll become a low
Wow.
toss
Yes.
Wow.
or
That's
straight
what
drive
straight
step out and do a straight
That's like
drive
disrespect. Don't hit for 6. Like, just like, I could have hit you for 6, but
Yes.
I'm playing it on the ground. because I'm a
okay
good
what
batsman.
about that
The only part the batsmen are not getting is that knowing that this is a Yorker.
Yeah, that's what who's telling, bro?
That is I mean, you either
That is
know or you
experience.
don't.
Yeah.
You either know or you don't know, dude. You can't teach this.
Yeah. And
But
what about the problem that the ball is coming at 145? Did we address that?
May I just say, Trent Bolt, most underrated looks in cricket.
Yeah.
Everyone's like, Cummins is good looking. Look at Trent Bolt, bro. He's looking the same.
Terrific fielder. Trent Bolt, terrific
One of the
fielder,
best bowling
terrific
fielders.
Yeah.
bowler.
Bowling
he has
fielder.
the most power play wickets in the last 3 years.
Yeah.
Easily.
Ian Bishop, bro, him and his stats, bro. I
Oh,
look
dude.
forward to
Yesterday
it.
also, he was like, this is the most expensive in his entire IPL career Trent Bolt has gone for. Previous highest was he's not been hit for more than 45.
Oh,
and
wow.
today he got hit for 50 plus.
Oh,
yesterday.
really?
Yeah. No, because after that Phil Salt wicket, it was kind of like very bad for.
Ian Bishop, I guess, he jinxed one very nice. It's like 41 required of 18 balls. This is exactly where Mumbai was with LSG. That match, they lost by 12 runs. This match, they lost by 12 runs. I'm like, thank you, bro.
Thank you, lad.
No, but even LSG match and this match had one thing in common. Right number of dot balls, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And not doing anything complicated. Like Sunil Gavaskar was losing his shit on commentary. He's like, that is the ball to bowl. Yorker. Fielders and bowlers, teams are forgetting that this is the most effective delivery. And everyone's like, bro, give us time to. It's an exciting moment. This happened.
Bro, do just every time you want to say something, remember 36 or 174 balls. What the fuck? Dude. You saw when Surya Kumar Yadav got out, how angry he got.
Yeah, he was like, that is a stupid shot. Just now you have been given life. And you're going for another 6. Yeah, uncle,
have to chase
T20 hai.
220.
Yeah.
Uncle, T20 hai.
Exactly same thought. What do you think you're supposed to?
I think Sunil Gavaskar still lives in that world where when they bowl the 20th over, he's
Yeah.
like, "Khatam ho gaya kya?"
Yeah, tea ke liye जा रहा है शायद. Going for tea break.
But
But-
yeah, what a match, dude. What a nice match. RCB played so well. Patidar, captain's knock.
Oh, great.
What a
great
captain's knock.
Great captain's knock also. Good captaincy also.
Very good captaincy.
One thing they did, so this is, I saw this RCB match also going in the same direction as the last one. Last one, you know what happened?
153.
One-
No,
169.
169.
Against Gujarat Titans.
Which we lost.
Is here, we lost 2 wickets. No, 1 wicket.
One
This
wicket,
one
we
wicket.
lost 1 wicket, and then they didn't stop scoring.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was a good thing. That Vivian Kohli is like, let me go. If I get out, I get out.
That stepping out and like they were not afraid to. It was not just middling the ball. Get it over infield.
You saw what happened in 6 overs. They scored 76 or 77 runs.
Yeah.
Right, and then it slowed down.
Yeah.
It was 12 at one point. The run rate was 12. Then it came down to 10, 9.8.
Yeah.
But they didn't lose wickets. They're like, bro, 2 overs. It's all right. Then
Yeah,
we'll
that's
go for
completely
it.
fine, yeah.
That's the mistake they did last match.
That's when
Oh,
Andy
okay, like
Flower
that.
sent a message. No.
Who sent a message?
Andy Flower. So that they had the drinks break. And then immediately after the drinks break, Kohli stepped out and hit Santner for a 4 above his head.
Okay.
And then he stepped out again and it got an edge and went over third man. So the commentators were like, see, the message is clear. Yes, you got the balls, but how much runs we want from you, Virat Kohli? We already got it at the strike rate we want.
Acha, now we can
anything
just
you
give-
get is bonus.
Yes.
Yeah.
This IPL, I have noticing that. Like
Yeah.
Virat Kohli starting with a 200 strike rate and then is decreasing.
Then
Yeah.
150,
They are
160.
saying ki we need 30 of 18 balls from you. That's it.
Yeah.
We don't need
yeah.
more.
Yesterday, it was when I saw, he was like 40 of sub 20 balls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the beginning, it was very good. He
Yeah.
like
But
came
then
out
they-
and hit Bumrah for a 6. That was fucking
But post
kick-ass.
power play, the first 2-3 overs they bowled also really well.
Haan, haan.
Really good.
Yeah.
Really
Who was
good.
the bowler for them after power play? Was it
Vignesh
Puttur?
Puttur came in.
Ah.
And one Bumrah bowled 1 over game.
1 over, yeah.
5 runs.
Dude, Bumrah, a crazy stat, right? First over 10 runs, and then the next 3 overs 19 runs.
Yeah.
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 Which is
And
like
the last over
it-
was if Jitesh
only
hadn't-
1-6.
Yeah.
Besides that, it
Jitesh.
was a great over.
That
And-
was Jitesh went back in his crease
Yeah.
and he's like, man, I have to hit it.
Yeah.
That is T20.
Jitesh Sharma's shot selection. What a great batter to look at, dude. The kind of shots he played. That once he swept a fast bowler for a 6 over.
Yeah, dude,
mid-wicket.
post Dhoni, how many good wicket keeper batter we have, bro?
Jitesh Sharma, dude. Jitesh Sharma, Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh Pant.
Tilak Verma's keeper?
Tilak Verma is not a keeper?
No.
He's not a
Tilak
keeper.
Verma is not a keeper.
Okay.
He's not a keeper.
Tilak, Ishan Kishan.
Yeah,
Ishan Kishan, yeah.
Kishan.
So many
KL
good.
Rahul.
Samson.
KL Rahul, Samson.
I thought you'd say no.
No, KL Rahul is a good batsman, dude.
Good batsman,
Yeah.
good batsman.
Yeah.
Yes. He should just play.
No. I'm not allowing. You for once don't put the but after you say something nice about KL Rahul.
I am sorry, dude. I hate him too much.
Yeah.
Because he broke my heart, bro. 2023. So. I'm
But the entire lineup fired, dude. Phil Salt, don't worry. This is how you are supposed to play.
Dude, if Phil Salt stayed, we would have scored 240. bro.
Yeah.
Easily. I mean, they got you. They did a very good job of getting you. So
they
it's
set you up. It's fine. You were supposed to go for that.
Yeah.
drive.
Yes.
You went for it happy. Kohli, Padikkal, thank you for coming into form and
Yes.
starting hard.
Yes,
Yeah.
Padikkal, you are great. I was cheering for you in BGT,
BGT also, yeah.
Yes, you fucking keep going. Love Padikkal, dude.
Wow.
Padikkal
So
was.
who was
I
the
like
after-
how we think Padikkal is watching this.
Yeah.
Padikkal,
You're looking into
don't
the
worry.
camera. You're good.
Dude, if anybody in both teams can watch this, it's Padikkal. No one else. Everybody is a superstar. Padikkal. they
Suyash
don't-
Sharma and Padikkal.
Yeah.
We are talking to
They
you
are talking
directly.
about this.
Bro, you
Yeah.
understand there are some players where you have to use both the names.
Yeah.
Otherwise nobody will get.
Yeah,
Devdutt
yes.
Padikkal is one of them. Right? You say
Yeah.
Devdutt, who, Padikkal,
You say
who?
Padikkal, you'll be thinking comic or something.
Yeah.
New set, yes.
Yeah.
Devdutt Padikkal. But then Patidar batted well. Kohli batted well. Livingston was okay. Couldn't do much.
Yeah.
Tim David came at the end. Jitesh Sharma was the.
And I think you have to
what
appreciate-
was the partnership? Rajat Patidar and. Yeah.
First partnership was Kohli Patidar. First partnership, because after Padikkal it was Livingston. I think Livingston got out and then Patidar came, or Patidar came before Livingston.
Patidar came before.
So
Patidar is four down.
Livingston came
Second
after
down.
Kohli. Kohli got out.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
first partnership was between these two, Patidar and
Yeah.
Kohli. They actually set up the game. Then Kohli got out. Then
No, Padikkal and Kohli first.
first,
partnership.
and then after that Patidar and Kohli.
Yes.
Then
yes.
Kohli and
Kohli got out. Then Patidar and Jitesh
Patidar
Sharma.
also
Jitesh.
took his time, bro. He was like, let me not throw away my wicket.
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
his sixers-
Dude, he's the captain that Ruturaj Gaikwad is supposed to be.
Yeah.
Like, you know what? They expected of Rajat is like nailing it on.
Yeah,
Like,
but yeah.
But Rajat Patidar is more.
he doesn't
in
have a
form.
43-year-old keeper. To
Yeah.
handle.
He is a 36-year-old opener.
Yeah.
Yeah. But other than that, bowling wise, dude, great. Yash Dayal and this guy started. Yash Dayal took Rohit Sharma's wicket. Amazing.
Yeah.
Sharma was hitting really well. He
2
got
4s,
it-
1 6, right?
Yeah,
Or 2 6
yeah.
1 4.
No, 2 4s to Yash Dayal.
Huh.
First over he hit a 6.
Huh.
Who opened the bowling?
I didn't see how did Sharma get out.
Bold.
Yeah. So what?
It just.
I'll tell you the setup.
He went for sweep, ball went in there.
One ball middle stump. He lifts it over
For a six.
square leg for a 4.
4, sorry. Huh?
Yeah, next ball, exactly the same ball as the one that Salt got. Pitched and angling out to the right hander. Left arm going out. Boundary through extra cover. Next ball, in swinging, straight, full, clean bowled.
Clean
With
bowled.
bat and gap. Big gap between bottom path.
Yeah.
Huge
Catch the
wicket.
timber.
Yeah.
That was a great wicket. I'm telling you, all great batsmen are getting out beautifully.
Then Krunal Pandya's variations, dude, that bouncer, whatever the fuck that is. Jitesh Sharma's keeping, can we just say?
Yeah.
When he bowls,
Except the Yash Dayal and him making out moment.
I mean,
Which was Dayal's mistake.
Yeah.
It's
it
a
was-
keeper's catch.
It's a keeper's catch.
Leave
Dayal
it.
came and leave it. But other than that one moment, Jitesh Sharma, dude, one LBW for Ryan Rickelton, right? It was very close. They were not going to take it, the review.
Huh.
Pitching outside like everyone thought. Jitesh Sharma is the one who's like, he came and pointed in the pitch where it pitched, then adjusted himself, said, dude, it looks like it's line, you should take it.
Huh.
And he forced Kohli and Patidar and Hazelwood to take it. And then it turned out it pitched in line and hitting leg stump. So first thing, Jitesh Sharma did that.
Oh, that was their successful
Oh, he did all
review.
this within 10 seconds.
Yeah, all this in 10 seconds.
He's a smart guy.
Watch the replay.
I'm
And
not
then
sure.
the keeping dude, 120 kilometers per hour, Kunal Pandya's bowling, standing up to the stumps and leg side trying to get the stumping. He caught everything.
Yes.
Bro, that
He
fucking
caught
after two
everything
sixes-
cleanly.
See, this is a Wankhede Suyash Sharma's first 3 over 15 runs.
Yeah.
Oh,
Amazing.
dude,
Amazing.
5-5-5.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And this guy
I think he was
realized...
bowling to Surya, right? Sky.
No, he was first bowling to.
Rickelton.
No. Rickelton
Jacks,
had
Will
got out.
Jacks.
Will Jacks.
Will Jacks.
He was bowling to Will Jacks and
Yeah.
Surya.
That was, and the thing is, Krunal Pandya is not a great spinner,
Yeah.
and he realized I have to just do variations.
Variations, bro.
bouncers.
Bro, that fucking Hardik Pandya hit him for 2 sixes, and the third ball fucking short bouncer.
Yeah.
It was. I felt like Hazelwood threw that
Yeah.
ball.
Yeah,
Yeah.
genius.
Yeah, it came at a pace that Pandya just timed
This is
it.
what you want, bro. Like anything. This is T20 format.
Yeah.
Don't go for like whatever. Oh, I'm a fucking great spinner. No.
No.
fucking
This is
do
not
it.
about like.
Yeah.
Totally
Do
agree.
whatever you can to not give runs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a big chase like this, last over 27 is like not chaseable.
Yeah.
You can do it. 2 good balls over, match over.
Done. It was
Yeah.
actually pretty much. It was like,
Yeah.
I mean, the last 3 overs once, as soon as that Hazelwood, Bhuvneshwar, those were the best overs for me.
So,
Bhuvneshwar,
RCB
sorry, I said,
Yeah.
Bhuvneshwar only, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, Bhuvneshwar Prasad.
Oh, sorry.
Bhuvneshwar Prasad, yeah.
I was like,
So
No, dude,
RCB
Kumar.
Yeah.
Anytime I say Bhuvneshwar Prasad, everyone I've said this to is like, yeah, Prasad.
No,
Then
I
they're
know
like,
a
what?
joke.
Yeah,
Bro,
okay.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar, I know, bro.
Yeah.
It's a capital, bro.
That's what I got confused. Is it Bhuvnesh? Am I saying
Yeah,
Bhuvnesh?
Now, you know how many people have asked me, is he from Odisha?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Why is he named Bhuvneshwar though? What a name though.
I don't know.
It's
bro.
like that John T. Rose naming his daughter India. It's like, why?
Yeah.
Why is your name Bhuvneshwar?
He
like
loves, dude. Dude,
exotic.
Yeah.
John T.
Yeah,
Rhodes,
that's the
I'm
word. Let's
surprised-
go with that. Let's go with exotic.
If you,
It is exotic, bro.
That's like
for a
saying
white
Game of
person,
Thrones is
India
a
is very
yeah.
for
Game
white
of Thrones is a family series. That's what it is. It's like
Yeah.
what are you? It's about family.
You know how the African surname Ombe is,
Yeah.
that is exotic for us. John T. Rhodes is from Africa. For
Ah.
him, India is exotic.
Yes.
He's like
Yeah.
Rakesh. How do you say it? Rakesh?
Yeah.
So overall, I would say RCB is playing well. We don't need, no one needs to jinx them. Tilak Verma, I don't know why he's coming down. He should be number 3 batsman. Papaji should sit down for a couple of matches.
Yeah.
And
See, the
other
thing
than
is,
that-
they'll play 14 matches. You need at least 4-5 good innings from Rohit Sharma. That's what you expect from a top order.
Yeah.
He should
He
do
will
what
give you
Kohli is
2.
doing. He should do what Kohli
Yeah,
is
he will
doing.
give you 2 good innings,
Uh-huh.
and everybody he will give it. Like in 7 matches, he'll give you 1 good innings, and next 7 he'll give you 1 good innings. That's what he does.
Yeah, but Kohli gives you many mediocre innings.
Yeah.
And like Kohli gives you mediocre, great, mediocre,
Yeah.
and then average. He's like
At least
mixing.
the average is consistent. Yeah.
You see, bro, in 10 matches, I'll tell you Kohli will win top 5 run scorers. He does it, dude.
Bro, we just
One
read
of
that
those
stat,
guys.
right? 13,000 runs in T20.
Yesterday he
Oh
reached.
my god.
Kohli, 13,000. I mean, if
at
we all,
an average of 50 plus and overall strike rate of 148, which is pretty good.
yeah, which is fucking insane. For
Overall
13,000
average-
No,
runs.
sorry, 138.
Wow,
138.
No, oh, dude, what 13,000 runs you score at the strike of 138?
And
That's
that too, first 5 seasons of IPL, the strike rate was generally low, bro.
115 is like great
a
strike.
great strike rate.
Yeah.
He's like 30 of 31 is insane.
Yeah.
He's like, wow.
Yeah. That's why Dhoni was a legend. That's when he became a legend.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
true.
No,
shit.
Rohit Sharma is playing like I don't. I'm not like I have no responsibility.
Bro, he
Yeah.
is. I'll tell you this. Rohit Sharma is playing IPL like how Amitabh Bachchan does Kaun Banega Crorepati.
Retirement.
It's like हो गया.
Yeah.
मेरा 25 सीजन कर दिया. I'm just.
6 IPL जीत चुका हूं
Yeah,
मैं.
now he's like, you know how Amitabh Bachchan has to get Samir Raina to get views?
Yes.
That's what Rohit Sharma has come down to. He's like,
But Tilak Verma, what do you guys think about that subbing out Tilak Verma? To me, it was not a big deal.
no,
Yeah, it's not
I
a
mean,
big
it was not
deal.
middling it at all. They
Yeah.
didn't sub him out of 5 deliveries. They subbed him out of like 25 deliveries.
Yes.
Yeah, and
Yes.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Coach and captain can take that call. It's not a big deal. It's not like an insult.
Yeah,
आज
and
तेरा
he's
दिन
not
नहीं था,
state,
accept
Yeah.
and he's not
Yeah.
reached Virat Kohli level of status. Where like, how dare you sub Tilak
Correct.
Verma?
Dude, what? When Dravid was captain, Tendulkar was taking a long time to get to 200. Dravid said, "Shut the fuck up and come back."
Yeah.
Tendulkar 191 not out.
194.
194 not
Yeah.
out. Declare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to Tendulkar रहेगा अपने घर पे रहेगा. Now the
Team
dream.
scored. It's all right. It's all right. Dude, your average increased.
मैं इंदिरा नगर का गुंडा हूँ रे.
इंदिरानगर का गुंडा इंदिरानगर में होगा रे.
ये बैट का ग्रिप निकाल के गांड में घुसा देगा रे.
No, I really don't think so. And also, you lost the
मेरे को पेलेगा रे
पाकिस्तान में है म्हणून तू इतना आवाज कर रहा है ना मेरे को मालूम है.
मीरा रोड में मिल रहे थे.
Sachin Tendulkar doesn't go to Mira Road, bro. Sachin Tendulkar lives in Bandra. But I think that's about it for RCB versus MI.
Yeah.
What next? What was your match?
RC versus GT, what mistakes did we do? Losing, I felt like we lost 4 wickets too early.
Yeah.
And
no,
then-
I think it was too. We were too confident because this always happens to RCB that when we play at Chinnaswamy Alive, we will win.
50% loss recorded.
But we, the aura, the vibe, I'm telling you, right? Because in RCB, nobody looks at the stat.
That is true. The aura part is correct.
Yeah.
We have lost 50% of the matches Chinnaswamy, which is unacceptable to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see all the stats like we are.
Dude, I
defeating
remember, the-
CSK after 15 years,
Yeah.
and then you see RCB. Oh, kal hi hara tha. Like,
No, I remember RCB. What did he say?
What he's saying is it should be like 15 साल से चेपॉक में नहीं जीते लेकिन 15 साल से से हम चिन्नस्वामी में हारे भी नहीं.
Yeah.
But instead we are like कल ही हारे यार.
Exactly, yeah. This is not it's not a fortress.
Yes.
Don't call it a fortress.
That is the thing. It was
It's like when you forgot to put the back door lock. Like people are just coming
No,
and going.
our fortress is Mohali Stadium.
Yeah.
Then,
Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam.
Yeah.
Then the what do you call the Firozshah Kotla in Delhi.
Yeah.
These are our fortress.
Yeah.
So the whole thing was I had a gig in on that day RCB versus GT. So I had to cross Chinnaswamy and go. And when I was going, it was full traffic.
Huh.
Like and it was before the match was about to start. Okay, fucking 1 hour just crossed that place, and I saw full excitement. While coming back, match was over. I saw the score and I'm coming back. It's a late night gig, okay? And it's full traffic there. People are walking and all crossing. All this traffic police are there. It was like I could see it in RCB fans' face. It's okay. Now back to reality. I think we got a great start, but now, this is what happens. We do like 3 matches great, and then because the thing is, after MI when Pandya was hitting, we were like, oh, so this is the usual RCB.
I saw because I was in Church Street at that point. I was going in that road and I saw RCB fans coming, walking from that side, right? And what you said is correct. They are like, oh, thanks for like. We were out of reality for a couple of weeks.
Couple of days, exactly.
Thank you for that. Now we are back to
Now we're
reality.
back to, yeah.
That is true.
He's like, the whole idea is this is what RCB fans is. We are just supposed to shout King Kohli.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
That's our job.
I'll tell you one thing. Yesterday you were watching the match, right?
Yeah.
In the last 6-7 overs, they didn't show Kohli at all.
Yeah.
Only once they shot, when Pandya hit a Hazelwood for 94 meters, they showed Kohli doing this.
Yeah, because he was standing in that fielding position. It was incidental.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what they would do is, सांप को क्या लग रहा है इस बॉल के बारे में? That is not happening.
The match was so intense that even cameraman was not able to find pretty girls yesterday. He didn't have time, bro. Yeah. Old lady.
No, I think the cameraman shows pretty women. I'll tell you in matches like RCB GT,
Yeah.
in RCB MI Mumbai, RCB Chennai, there is like this thing between players. Like Bumrah will get a fucking shoulder push from Kohli.
Yeah.
They jizz off to that. Like Ishant Sharma coming and doing that to Kohli.
Yeah.
That is what cameraman.
Hardik Pandya being kissed by Krunal Pandya saying, "मैंने तेरी गांड मार दी पर."
Yeah, tu mera bhai hai.
Yeah.
That the brother hug, which was like 3 seconds longer than usual. You're like, yo, what's going on over
Yeah,
here?
no, that is when IPL cameraman is saying, "बना लो reel यार."
Yeah.
You know what Krunal Pandya said yesterday? He's like, feel bad for Hardik, but one Pandya could have won. That is like, that's what he said.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, why?
Yeah. I mean, that's a nice way to rub it.
Yeah.
It's okay, dude. Who gets paid more? Who gets the white wife?
Yeah.
Who gets
Who gets the
Well,
tattoos?
but
who
see,
out the T20 World Cup?
Dude, CSK, Mumbai, and KKR. These three, they have 5-5-3. They have won.
Yeah.
Them losing is somehow satisfying.
Oh, dude, it's
very, very much.
And that's what I'm telling. That's what blows my mind. CSK 5, Mumbai 5, all them losing makes me so happy.
Yeah.
But SRH losing makes me way more happy.
True.
I don't know why I unanimously
Yes.
hate that team. It's just their fucking t-shirt looks like that.
But the thing is like,
I don't know, some hatred.
worst jersey of all time.
Yeah.
That is a very bad
Yeah.
jersey. I don't like it at all. That's true. But the thing is like SRH will win one title and they'll behave like they've been winning from start.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
won. They won one which was Deccan Chargers.
No, they won with they defeated RCB, bro.
Yeah,
They did
that's the only one
Warner.
as SRH.
Yes.
No, I
They
think they
won.
won one more, right?
That was Deccan Chargers.
They won only one.
Yes.
Sunrisers have only won. one.
SRH has won
Yes.
only
Hyderabad has won two.
two.
And
Yeah, okay.
both against Bangalore final.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
We are giving people. we are very giving.
Bro.
Rohit Sharma has won one with Hyderabad and 5 with Bombay.
Yeah, that's why he has won
Yeah.
more than Dhoni. I know.
True.
But-
What else match?
CSK, bro, let's get down to it.
Bro.
What else were we
Greatest.
waiting for?
Yes.
So good.
Greatest match of all time.
Okay, I bettered my last joke, made it even more gross, even more unfunny. You want to hear?
yeah, go for it.
Please.
When Matthew Hayden comes inside a girl,
Oh my god.
she doesn't get pregnant. She gets jaundice because he comes yellow.
I didn't see that coming, bro.
Yeah. Matthew Wade only gets yellow fever.
His favorite song is Yellow by Coldplay.
Oh man, what a! I think have they had a worse start to the season? Or I think the Dubai one was worse than this, right?
They have had worst start to the season and they have qualified for the playoffs.
Oh yeah,
also.
they won also. No, the first 6 matches they lost and they won the title.
I am
Yeah,
telling
that
you
was the
right
one,
now. If
That is the
CSK
Dhoni.
Gujarat Titans, yeah.
That is the one where
Yeah.
Punjab.
Yeah. No.
They lost first 5 matches.
Ha.
They had to win rest of the
when he
matches.
hit Irfan Pathan for
Yes,
360.
and he
Yeah,
did this.
last
That was the match
over.
they were supposed to win to make it to playoffs.
If CSK qualifies for the playoffs, they will start talking about how Dhoni played a slow innings.
Just so that the net run rate could be good.
Exactly.
Dude, bro, I thought of it, dude.
Yes.
I know
Yes,
it.
they
Now
will say
it is
that.
up to Ruturaj to make Dhoni
He's like-
look smart retrospective.
Yes, that Yash Dal syndrome. bro.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bole
man.
full toss on purpose.
Yeah.
That'll happen, dude. That'll happen.
But
CSK
what
fans-
do you think are the chances? Because it's not the way it's not the fact that they lost. It's the way they lost.
Dude, Vijay
Do you
Shan-
think this team is capable of making
No, it is not. If they don't bring in some of the reserve players and
Yeah.
change some of the roles, it won't happen. First of all, Rachin Ravindra should not be given the job to play the entire 15 overs. Or
Yeah.
whatever. You go hit, bro. Second thing, Vijay Shankar got 6 lives.
No, I think
one
it's-
plum LBW wasn't reviewed, one run out was missed,
Yeah.
2 catches dropped.
Dropped,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, and one stumping missed.
Yes.
And then he got 54.
Then he
of-
proved them
No,
right.
60
They dropped him
That
4
was
times.
strategic drops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were like, oh shit, oh fuck.
He's the most
That is the most three-dimensional innings I've seen ever, right?
Yeah, he was 100 strike rate in all 3 dimensions. Yeah, and fucking dude, he can't connect.
No.
He's not intelligent. He doesn't play the field.
Yeah.
It just
Who's the other player that CSK dropped after 3
Tripathi.
failures? Tripathi.
Tripathi.
I would suggest give Tripathi more options.
Yeah,
He is the player.
he's
who
the
you
200
need.
strike rate guy.
Yes, he's the guy. I think he should open.
Yeah.
But they bought Conway, right? They were trying
But
to.
Conway is,
he's not middling
dude,
at all.
He's a 130 strike rate player.
Yeah.
And also he's a little out of form, dude.
Very out of form, not little.
Bro, he's from a bygone era, bro.
Yeah, even
That's
at the
right
way he
now.
got out of against Delhi was a very poor choice of shot.
Tripathi is the guy, dude. You see what Nitish Rana is doing for KKR?
Yeah.
That's what Tripathi
Nitish Rana is doing for RR.
RR.
Sorry, RR.
Ah.
Man, that guy out
He's
of
batting really well.
nowhere,
Yeah.
he's making them like RR look like a Finnish team. Somehow they look.
They are
Archer,
very good.
dude. Let's
Archer's
talk about
come back.
Archer
What
little
a
bit.
comeback
Yeah.
since we spoke last time. But wait, what was the match we were talking about?
CSK versus Delhi.
CSK
CSK
was
versus Delhi.
Bro, I'm telling you, the thing is, I know Dhoni gets a lot of bad rap. I understand that match. I only had a problem with the way he approached that innings. But I'm saying there are way more leakages. Like Ruturaj not able to connect. The way Delhi set up
But
Ruturaj.
played 2 matches really well. You can't.
No, bro. The match that they lost against RR, Ruturaj was not. I told you it was 38 ball 50, and then he hit 1-6 and he got out.
First match. That
First match he played well. That against
25
MI.
or 50 he got.
I'm talking about the
Sorry, 50 or
RR
25.
match. RR match, he got 38 or 50, and then he hit like 2-6. I think 62, and he got out, or 43 or 44. That's not a great innings.
It's all right, but if one more player would have played that,
I'm not
innings,
denying that.
yeah,
See,
Dubey
the
is
whole
also
thing-
not
We
clicking.
need more.
Yes.
They need more Dubes.
Dubai is also not clicking.
Bro,
No, bro.
Dubey-
Against RR, he was hitting well, but it was a great catch.
But
Oh,
Dubey
yeah,
is hitting
correct.
like
That-
25 of 12 balls. which
That I
is not-
agree.
You need to score 40 of 20 balls, bro.
Right, you're
Correct.
absolutely right. I'm saying there are way more leakages in that.
Yes.
team.
Yeah.
Now people are
Gaikwad,
pointing
no
out
runs.
Dhoni is not
Yeah.
correct. True.
Nah.
So Gaikwad not scoring runs, Dubey not clicking, Rahul Tripathi was a waste in the first. Ravindra is not clicking.
Ravindra-
their
but-
entire middle.
But their bowling attack is actually good. Even though they get hit in the first 10 overs, they make a very good
they
recovery.
good, yeah. They bowl tail end. They bowl really.
They
well.
bowled really well. Patirana is doing really well. Fucking Jadeja gets those wickets, quick wickets in by. I think their bowling team is doing well.
They have one more Sri Lanka spinner, no?
No, who's that dude? They have one.
Tikshana?
No, Tikshana
No.
is now in
I think this one Delhi or I think RR.
LSG or
LSG. I think.
no,
Tikshana.
RR.
RR.
They have one Sri Lanka spinner, no?
Hasranga.
No, Hasaranga is in. No, Hasaranga is in RR. Tikshana
Just see,
is
no,
in
just see.
LSG.
Punjab.
Just see who bowled for Chennai.
Which match, bro?
This is
No,
this
next
is-
one. This one. So who bowled?
This is
Vipraj.
Sorry. No, that is
Capitals
yeah.
bowling.
Khalil Ahmed, Mukesh
Noor
Chaudhary.
Ahmed.
Noor Ahmed.
Ashwinta.
Yeah, they have good bowlers, dude.
They have.
They're
Khalil.
not no Sri Lankan. They have this guy.
Patirana.
Noor Ahmed.
Patirana is the only.
Yeah, Patirana is.
Noor bowled really well.
Yeah,
But see, he got only 3 overs.
But Noor Ahmed got 36. He scored 12, bro. His economy 12.
But
which
fine, but he got that 1 wicket. Jadeja bowled really well. 2
Bro,
overs.
but at Chepauk, you can't have 12.
No, dude,
Run
that
rate.
they were attacking
Yeah.
him. The Rahul was going after them, dude.
In this kind of circumstance, I don't understand. Clearly, Ashwin and Khalil Ahmed were bowling well.
Yeah.
Why didn't Ashwin get the 4th over? That's what I don't get.
And why did Jadeja only get 2 overs?
Yeah.
Yeah, even the last match I told you, right? Jadeja gave like 2 overs. He got 10 runs or something.
Are there a lot of lefties that they didn't give? Abhishek Porel, lefty. Akshar Patel, lefty.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's the reason. But Ashutosh Sharma is
Is
righty.
righty.
Tristan Stubbs.
Tristan is righty.
Bro, this is, look at this. If you see this, you won't consider this a winning total.
Yeah, it wasn't.
It's like 180. You can chase this, dude.
But
This-
Chepauk, dude.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
you
No,
have
but
to
I'm saying the
play-
whole idea about is 183 at Chepauk, I think is chaseable, but it's just everything depends on the power play.
Dude,
In
but-
power play, you have to start swinging.
But
Yeah.
the reason why I don't agree with the fact that it's not Dhoni's fault is 11th over he comes to bat.
yes.
You bat from 11 to 15, make some progress and let Ashwin slog in the end.
Ah.
You are more of a batsman, no? Why are you taking the game deep when you get tired by it?
Yes.
Bro, that is true. His other batsman, Vijay Shankar, first 31 deliveries he faced, no boundary.
Yeah.
He tried his best to get out, dude, but what can we do?
Sorry. Sorry.
He tried so hard.
Yeah.
He was like, all forms of dismissal you take.
You tried.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this
He-
is like CSK. What do you think of CSK?
This team cannot make it to the playoffs. There's no chance.
Immediately drop Vijay Shankar. Rahul Tripathi should be in your team because the
Yes.
day he clicks,
Yes.
he'll make your match winnable.
Yes.
Bring Ruturaj Gaikwad in opening again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take Devon Conway out. And I don't know.
I
dude.
think Gaikwad should definitely open for Chennai.
And also, if you're batting second, let Dhoni come one down, hit 5 sixes, and
Get
then
out of-
impact sub him out
Yeah.
and get another batsman in. Which match are you looking for, bro?
I'm looking for CSK team.
Uh-huh.
Because I want to see who they have.
Oh shit, sweating.
Yeah. Which one more underrated team I feel this IPL is GT, bro.
Very underrated, yeah, but very good team. Very good team.
They are.
What did I say about Sai Kishore, bro?
Yeah.
He's bowling like a champ, man.
And Sai Sudarshan's batting also like fucking
Superb.
case.
Yeah.
Bro,
he
and
didn't
like
click against
Siraj in form, they are such a strong
Yeah.
unit, bro. Such a strong unit. Sai Kishore, who's their one down who comes and belts?
I don't know.
What?
Because see, I'll tell you one good thing. Like Subman Gill doesn't hang around, bro. If
Yeah,
he
he's
eventually
hitting,
Gets
he's-
out. Who comes there one down? I somehow forgot.
Butler.
Butler.
That's
That
the.
match, yeah, he was really good.
He was really good. Yeah.
Who else they have?
Sharfin Rutherford. He also hits.
Bro, that day, so this match, I was watching, I was editing my videos, I was watching live at Jyotin's place, and we were talking, bro. This guy's a scientist, bro.
Who? Rutherford?
Rutherford, bro. He has that name and he's a scientist. You saw how smart.
Yeah,
he
very
is.
smart.
This was
very
against
smart.
RCB, right? He
Yeah.
finished the match. That fucking that
Rutherford
cut between the
double slit experiment.
double slit
Bro,
experiment.
that guy will deceive you. You will not think he's smart.
Yeah.
But he's smart.
No, you will not think
Why
he's
will
smart.
you not think he's
We
smart,
are not
Somnath?
racist.
I didn't say
Don't
that.
project on us. You will think. Not even we will think. Huh? You will think. Immediately throwing it on us. Nice try, bro.
But this guy, one underrated. He's
Yeah.
from West Indies. He's from West Indies. I don't know where he's from. You guys
Bangladesh, I think, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah. Originally from Nepal, but moved to Bangladesh.
South Africa. maybe.
No, he's from West Indies.
He's
somewhere.
from very good player.
Bro, that level of hitting, you have to be from West Indies.
Shah Rukh Khan can bat, bro.
Shah
Shah Rukh Khan can bat. Then Shah Rukh Khan, that Abdul Samad, Rahul Tewatia, they're all the same category people.
Rahul
Yes.
Tewatia has that 5 ball 22.
Yeah.
He's that guy.
And only one shot.
Rahul
Mid
Tewatia.
wicket के ऊपर छक्का.
छक्का.
बाकी और कुछ भी नहीं.
कुछ नहीं
तो
आता.
ऑफ में डाल, लेग में डाल,
मैं
किधर
वहीं
भी डाल.
घुमाएगा.
Which team has Samad is playing in?
Punjab.
Punjab. Punjab. Punjab CSK today, bro.
No,
What do
it'll
you
be. I think it'll be a
See,
one-sided.
Punjab will win easily, dude. Punjab have a great team. They are the underrated team.
But I think the momentum is different because both of them are coming from a defeat. So I don't know if it's happening at Punjab also. It's happening in Mohali.
But last
Yeah, new
match,
Chandigarh.
Rajasthan Royals showed how to defeat Punjab, bro.
Huh.
You just get that first 2 wickets.
Bro, the fucking first 2 wickets was great. Shreyas Iyer and the one guy before
Yes.
that. What a
Because
wicket.
their opener are both Indians, but they are like starting really well.
Prabh
You have
Simran
to,
and?
That other guy's name I
Prabh
forgot.
Simran and one more guy, right?
what is that guy's name, bro?
Priyansh.
Priyansh, yes.
Priyansh, bro. He was an impact player.
Priyansh College of
First ball duck he did, I remember.
Priyansh Arya.
Yeah, Priyansh.
So that someone was talking about this, right? The CSK squad team and all went
Yeah.
in. Priyansh Arya, Shah Rukh Khan, Ashutosh, all these players they pitched. And
At one point, they were really when Maxwell and who was the other one? They had a
Stoinis.
good partnership. Maxwell and one more player.
I think Jansen or Stoinis, right?
No. Not
Indian Shashank Singh.
Shashank, yeah.
Before Shashank, there was one player. They had a partnership where it looked like
They were going to chase it.
yes, they're gonna chase it. Where
Nehal Vadera.
Nehal Vadira. bro.
Yeah.
He's very good. He was in
He's
Mumbai,
very good
right?
player.
Yes.
Yeah, he was in Mumbai.
Even
Bro,
his batting was damn good. I saw.
He
Even,
scored 50, no, more than 50 he scored. I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah.
He was, that was a
he was
Yeah,
the
he
one
got
who
a
was
50.
looking
He
like
got a 50.
taking a but yeah, it was.
yeah. It's like, it feels like now IPL is like more serious.
Yeah.
Like teams are more serious about like, okay, we it's about cricket.
And also the matches are being won equally outside the field. Better matchups, better strategy.
Yes.
RCB is strategizing well and CSK is losing out on, like they're not playing matchups.
They're
like,
doing fields.
yeah, they're doing fields.
They're doing
Yeah.
like I
They're
think
like-
this match he'll make a comeback.
Yeah.
The thing is like it has worked for them. So they will not even question it. They're like, hi, no problem.
Yeah, I know. It,
Yeah.
it works until it doesn't. Like
This
clearly.
is the first time I'm seeing CSK fans being so harsh.
Yeah.
On
No,
their
bro,
team.
that year when they came last, that year it
Huh.
was the worst COVID year, and then
Yeah.
they won the next year.
Then they won the next year.
That year, bro, it was like Dhoni came out and said like young players don't have any spark.
No, you think I found
What
like why are there? The main argument was why are there no South Indian players? Think TNPL is doing so great. Why
Yeah.
are
That's why
TNPL
they got Vijay Shankar.
Yeah.
Oh,
poor
Vijay
thing.
Shankar is from
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
But so the thing was, the argument that went viral was like, I don't see the spark in Tamil Nadu young players.
No, he didn't say Tamil Nadu
Young players.
He said he talked about Gaikwad and Jagdishan.
Ah.
And then next 3 matches, 3 man of the match Gaikwad. That's what happened. And they came last, but he scored.
Really well.
Yeah.
And the next season they won.
Next season they won.
And I think
Gaikwad-
That was
They won.
Gaikwad's first season.
Yes.
Yeah. That season they wanted Dhoni to retire badly.
Yes, and Gaikwad got dengue. That's the problem.
Ah,
First half, and
yeah.
then how are you? I remember this. because-
He used to open with Duplessis, I remember.
Yes, they
Yeah.
asked him like, "How are you hitting sixes? Where is power?" And then Gaikwad is still like, "I look thin, but I have six.
I have six pack and I'm powerful. What are you talking about?
He has to say
Yeah.
that. That I
Yeah, he
remember.
does look very skinny, bro. He
Yeah.
looks very.
I lost a couple of kgs because of dengue, but I have six pack. I remember that
He's
interview.
like,
Yeah.
models, please.
Yeah. I have six pack.
Okay.
Oh.
But yeah, CSK basically team change, bro. They need to work better combinations. It's not working out for them.
For sure.
Yeah.
They got out to a great start against Delhi. They got 0 for 1. Like our
Yes.
first over, they got a
Yeah.
wicket out, and it was like they got.
I just feel sad for Khalil Ahmed because he's bowling on top of his.
Yeah. That's
He's
what I think. The
bowling
bowling team, Patirana is coming back in the slog overs and getting the wickets, slowing down the run rate. He's putting the pressure on the batsman, and then Noor Ahmed is doing a great job.
But
Ashwin is.
you
Outside power play, Ashwin is bowling.
Ah,
good.
It is, yeah, true, but you can't give away 183 on Chepauk, bro. Like
Yeah.
the bowling unit to have to come together.
That's true.
So that pressure adds the pressure for the power play to start at a good note. So they're
Yeah.
losing wicket there.
I never thought I would say this. CSK are missing Tushar Deshpande, bro.
Yeah.
Because he controlled runs
yes.
for them. Yeah.
Yes. CSK has won one match
Yes,
One
against
match.
MI.
MI.
against MI. Okay.
MI has won one against. Which team they won?
KKR.
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 Correct. Correct. Yeah, they KKR. dismantled-
Somehow that defeat made KKR like fucking wild.
they woke.
dude.
They
Yeah.
woke them up.
Yeah. They
And
are-
Rahane is a good captain, dude. Rahane is a very good captain.
Smart captain.
Very smart. Rahane, Shreyas Iyer. I think surprisingly even Shubman Gill. He's
Shubman
using
Gill,
his
yeah.
resources very well.
Shubman Gill's fielding, captaincy during fielding, especially between the 10 to 15 overs,
Ah.
beautiful, dude. Put the brakes on, create the pressure, and the way he uses Sai Kishore, because he knows this is the guy everyone will go after also, this is the guy everyone will defend also. It's like, he's like little bit Rashid Khan, little bit Ashwin, little bit Santner, little bit Rashid Khan. Can control and can aggressively take wickets also.
Yes. Yes.
So they
Yeah.
used him. Okay, now I'm jerking out to Sai Kishore.
Sai
dude,
Kishore,
I
bro.
can't
Sai
believe-
Kishore is like your
Sai
character.
Kishore is
He
your
should-
Pat Cummins.
Yeah, I mean, fuck.
He should be Indian team. I
Yeah.
saw that. I'm
Those
like, yeah,
black
this-
eyes.
He can.
The dark circles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Sai Kishore can bat also.
Yes, lefty, but like lower order batsman.
Lower order. Like better than
So
Kuldeep.
who's better, Sai Kishore or Sai Sudarshan?
Sai Sudarshan is only pure batter and I
Good
think
fielder.
Good fielder and spin he does, but he's like same level bowling as maybe
Livingston.
Riyan Parag. Yeah, Livingston.
Maybe Livingston.
That's
yeah.
what we need, bro. India needs one twin to play. So in the middle,
Like
middle
our
innings,
Suresh
one
Raina.
twin should be bowler, one should be batsman. So then they change and nobody knows. So we can have all rounder.
This is like natural impact player.
You make a good team, so you don't need an impact player.
Nobody knows there are two people. Doom 4, bro.
Yeah.
This is the movie Genes set in cricket format.
Yeah. But I don't know if we don't. I don't know if you know the movie Jeans. That do you know the
Aishwarya
movie?
Rai's movie.
First
did that.
movie. Aishwarya Rai's first movie. Jeans.
What is that story?
It's a
Aishwarya Rai's
duplicate,
twins. It's there are 3 pairs of twins.
Bro,
in that
very
movie.
funny premise, bro.
Huh.
The hero Prashant, these are twins.
Huh?
And Aishwarya Rai falls in love with one guy. And but the dad is like, I can't let you marry Aishwarya because we want the twins to marry twins.
Oh.
I don't want any difference to be created between my sons because I'm a twin.
Ah.
And me and my brother, we had different levels of success, everything. So whatever clothes I buy for them, I buy for them. So woman also same.
Same. They should
So
look the same.
Aishwarya Rai's family
Lies.
uses CG and creates a hologram Aishwarya Rai and never let them stay in the same room and try to pull off like.
So
okay.
Aishwarya Rai plays duplicate, like she's cheating them. So it's a very, I don't know why you went to jeans.
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, I've not seen it. But yeah, that's
So,
Okay,
yeah,
what's the match that? Okay, you have anything else?
I just said CSK. No, that I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah,
ripping
no,
it up.
I wanted to talk about this SRH KKR. Did we talk about
No,
that?
no, we didn't.
we
Yeah,
have
let's
not.
talk about SRH KKR, bro.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Because I want to talk about 2 wickets fell in the first 3 overs. Rahane, dude.
Sorry, I think I might be stinking. Sorry, guys.
Stinking? No, dude.
Yeah, sweating. I don't know, stinking.
No, it's pretty
This
hot.
one, see, they were 16 for 2.
The fan is right above you. Why is it thing?
It's odd, bro.
Yeah.
16 for 2, 2.3 over, 97 for 3, 10 over. This one won them the match, bro. This
Yeah.
partnership.
Ah.
Raghuvanshi and
Raghuvanshi and Rahane.
Ra- You should see Rahane 6 to Shami and Cummins. too.
Oh,
You should
dude.
see that.
It what 95 meters 6.
Yes, dude, it's somehow good length balls he's picking, bro. How?
And sorry, Venkatesh Iyer has
Yeah.
come back into form. I think we just need to shit on people. dude.
Yeah.
They
Yes.
come back into form.
Fuck Nitish Kumar.
Dhoni
Reddy,
is
bro.
so good, man. Dhoni is so good.
Dhoni is the greatest.
He's the
Yeah,
best.
Dhoni is the best.
Dhoni is the
My
good.
favorite is Dhoni. Bro.
Yeah.
Like
Just when Gavaskar was one innings, one failure away from saying Venkatesh Iyer should start tucking in his shirt.
Yeah.
He finally
Yeah.
scored.
Yeah. I mean, he also came back the second half. He only dominated, right? First half was Rahane and
Raghuvanshi.
and then second half was Venkatesh.
60 of 29.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
what an innings! That's fucking 200.
Great
strike rate.
shots. And he plays the field. He's
Yeah.
smart. He knows where the fielders are. Very nice.
Very
And
good.
And he was like what, fucking 15 of 12 balls, something like that.
Yeah,
And and I was like same. I went to Gavaskar.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck, 24 crore fucking bomb over here.
But who's KKR's bowlers? I think the camera moved. Yeah.
Yeah. KKR's bowling, that Vaibhav Arora bowled beautifully, bro.
He's also good. Vaibhav.
This one, I don't know anything about him.
So, dude, he was there last year also. Last year also, Vaibhav Arora, Harshit Rana were opening.
Huh.
Harshit Rana can swing the ball both ways and then cut.
Huh.
Vaibhav Arora has this, remember that Bhuvneshwar Kumar's opening debut match?
Huh.
That in killer in swinger that got Umar Akmal out?
Yes.
That's Vaibhav Arora's delivery. You just don't know which ball it will be.
Okay.
He has this crazy in-dipping in-swinger and he just sets the batsman up for that ball.
Got it. Understood.
And that's how he got 3 wickets. 1 wicket was pure in-swinger, bro.
Bold.
Bold.
Oh, nice.
Bold or...
No. He got Travis Head out first.
Huh.
That was Travis Head. People are figuring him out, bro.
No, you bowl. That's what we discussed during BGT also, right? You don't give him width. You bowl a close bouncer to him, very fast. Don't let him swing. He's get very scared.
Yeah,
He goes
because he's not wristy also.
Yeah.
He weirdly awkwardly...
like he jumps like a cheerleader.
Yeah, he's like Suresh Raina with a mustache, dude.
Yeah. So you bowl very close bouncer. I think we discussed this.
They
I'm
have
pretty
been
sure they
doing
heard.
that. You know how he got him out? Wide, slower ball.
That's very inviting because that's like his favorite shot.
And he skied it, bro.
Yeah.
They should check this Abhishek Sharma's Harshit Rana wicket.
It
It is, he bowled a slow ball
okay.
and he went for it
Uh,
and it hit his edge and looped to the slip. It
Oh.
looped.
Oh.
Very interesting. He couldn't
like it
read
went like that.
It just went slow. He just got it. Even I couldn't read that it was slow ball.
You know, that's the thing. I think that ball was. I think I saw it. It was slower than a slower ball. So even when he read it, he couldn't like.
He was too early on the shot either way.
Yes,
Yeah.
they were 9 for 3. They could have been 9 for 4. Kamindu Mendes, he
catch,
dropped a
yeah,
catch.
yeah.
So they could have been 9 for 4.
Yeah, bro, it's nice to see SRH going through
It's
this.
like hit or miss. Like just go for it or get out. Like
Yeah.
what is this? This is not you can't play cricket like that, bro. In this pitch.
I'm glad like, when you make pitches like that, it becomes interesting. You don't have like a last IPL. That was the problem. There was going
This
to
was
be
Calcutta. This
Calcutta.
match was in
Yeah,
It's a
this is
180 pitch. They scored 200.
Yeah.
They put the 20 run extra. You see what is happening now is that batting has evolved. They are like, in 180 pitch, we have to target 200.
Yes.
So, and it's good. They are going for it.
The best thing is this year teams are playing like 180 pitch. We should get 200,
Yeah.
but not less than 170.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you
Anything
get between
170,
170 and 180, it's fine.
that should be the strategy, bro. But SRH is playing in 180 pitch, will score 360. That's how they are playing.
They want the this thing, right? Their fans. What is that social media campaign they're running?
Orange Army.
No, Orange Army is bar 300 par.
हाँ इस बार
That's their
300
campaign.
yeah. इस बार 300
So
पार
300 par. Last match they got 150. This match they got 120.
दो मैच में 300 पार
नहीं, दो मैच में भी नहीं.
नहीं हुआ।
You,
270.
love.
I think cumulative 300 पार करो
300 par. They'll concede 300 par.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now everybody has played 4 matches.
Yes.
Except for DC. DC has played 3.
Okay, all right. DC is playing. Today there are 2 matches for some reason.
Yeah.
DC is undefeated, by the way.
DC is undefeated. What top 4 you think?
Oh, by the way, what do you guys think about this Jio Hotstar? This is apparently IPL branding. This is rivalry week. Oh,
This is rivalry.
week. Every 5 sentences, the presenter is like, "Welcome back to rivalry week." Like you can tell them they want to say that phrase. They're like, "In next match in our rivalry week, Rivalry? CSK versus MI." Like
Yeah.
it's just, there is going.
This is a
nuts.
rivalry week. I don't know why they have to do that because it's written
Bro,
and they
I feel like RC versus MI is real rivalry.
Yeah.
That is
right now
good.
yes correctly.
Yeah, RC versus MI is fucking rivalry.
Yeah.
But DC versus what? Viewers? That's the real rivalry.
DC versus Goenka, bro. That is the
Yeah,
rivalry.
oh, shit, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like that DC and LSG are rivalry because nobody wanted them.
Yeah.
Like you be rivals.
Man, seriously, I can't see why is that guy there, bro. LSG will never win anything if Goenka is getting
Oh, I thought you were
involved
talking about
like
Pant.
Yeah, we have to be like, you go and come.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, why is he there, like talking like he, dude? You have,
Dude, it looks like, you know, when Goenka sits in the stadium, you know what it looks like? Have you seen the movie Rocky 4? You know those Russian
Yeah.
leaders sitting in that's what Goenka looks like. He's like, you have to win. You must not lose.
Yeah, the manager should get involved. The coach should get involved. You just paid the money. You don't know. How
Yeah.
about cricket? He was scolding Rishabh Pant that day also.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Rishabh Pant said, यहाँ नहीं ड्राइव पे चलते हैं बात करते हैं
गाड़ी तेरा भाई चलाएगा.
Long drive. Pace.
लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे चलो yeah
That is
Sorry, Somnath's
and immediately
question.
correct yeah.
Top 4.
top 4
Yeah.
RCB
Yeah.
I have to start with that and DC KKR and surprisingly RR
Okay.
RR,
Very
okay.
interesting pick. What about you?
So first 3 same. RCB, what did you say?
Delhi
RCB, no, my 4 is different. RCB, DC, Gujarat Titans and Punjab.
Kings 11 Punjab.
Yeah. Punjab.
RCB, Punjab, DC, CSK.
oh
Okay.
nice.
Oh, CSK.
Yeah.
Dream 11 पे किसी ने पैसा लगाया है.
Yeah, because I have seen them do it.
Yeah.
that
Yeah,
is
that's
why I
if
have
there's
seen
anyone
them do
who
it.
can do it, it's them.
Yes.
If there's anybody who are capable of pulling this off, it's them.
Yeah, because Gujarat Titan is like looks like, but I'm just picking. The other one is for me Gujarat Titans. I'm
Yes.
picking CSK over GT because
Just data, just data.
they do it, bro. They
Yeah.
just do it. And MI, dude, MI is like dark horse for me.
Yeah.
Bumrah is back. And yesterday I saw a glimpse of a
Old
fucking-
MI.
Yeah, a world champion team.
Yeah.
Dude.
I think their only problem is they need to give captaincy to someone else.
No, dude. Pandya's
No.
doing a decent
I
job.
agree with Pandya is a good captain.
Are
Pandya is
Pandya
doing a
played
decent-
really well. I'm not denying that. I'm
No,
just saying.
he's captaining also well.
Uh-huh.
The only thing I don't understand is their batting order.
Why is Tilak?
Tilak Verma should be up. And who's the guy who's Will Jacks can play down, bro.
Yeah.
That is exactly. They are deciding their batting order based on one match.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just stick to it for 5 matches. That is MI's problem. Rohit Sharma
No,
wouldn't
I
have
think
done
they
that.
have just
Rohit
two-
Sharma as a captain wouldn't have done that.
Yeah, he would never do that.
Yeah.
Dude, Rohit Sharma doesn't change field for 5 matches. Why would he?
Or a 5-day match.
What do you think? What's he saying?
Rohit Sharma is like, everyone assemble in formation A3. Stay like that for 25
Exactly.
days.
He's like, Rohit Sharma will never do that.
He assigns when you batting order and fielding position.
Syllabus सिर्फ 2 साल में एक बार change होगा.
Yeah, it's a Rohit Sharma, CBSE board, CBSE style.
और dinner table में भी सब उधर ही खड़े रह रहे जहाँ ground में खड़े रहते हैं. मेरे को easy पड़ता है.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so I think Pandya is way more experimental than Rohit. Rohit is like, at least give it some time, it'll work.
20 over, he's a good captain. Rohit Sharma is a
I
good
mean, I
captain.
don't
20 and
get
50.
how can you change the batting order every match?
Yes.
When
Yeah.
you have permanent tattoos, like 50 of them in your. How dare you?
Only commitment he has is to his tattoos. Bro.
Yeah.
No other commitment. His wife left him.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's so painful.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm just saying, I think like Mumbai, the only reason that I don't see them in the top 4 is I think because of their own arrogance.
Yeah, a little
Is
bit.
like
maybe.
Yes.
they want to fool the opponent so
Yes.
much they are fooling themselves. they are like
It's like a magician who gets tricked by himself.
yeah.
Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, it's gone. Where is it, bro? Just find
This
it.
is like every time I think Rohit Sharma gets out, they have that Spider-Man meme like who's going third? Are you going third? Are you going third?
Like, यार मैं reel देख रहा हूँ, तू चले जा.
तू चले जा. That's what happens. Like, you know what? And also Surya Kumar really needs to fucking pull
One
it
bad
in.
match. He was the only player playing
The
till
one
now.
previous match, Surya
Yeah.
Kumar played really well.
Yes, yes.
He was middling the ball so well.
Dude, the thing is, we've come to expect 250 strike rate from Surya Kumar Yadav.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
when he plays at 150, we are like, बहुत slow हो गया.
Feel नहीं
form
आया,
में.
वो feel
हाँ,
नहीं
feel
आया.
नहीं आया.
Yes.
But I think, yeah, you're right. Like, Mumbai Indians is a dark horse. But I would still see, like, the next 2-3 matches, I think would...
Yeah.
This is so exciting, dude. Like GT is somehow second.
yeah.
GT is same. GT and RCB match. Oh, they defeated us.
They
Yeah.
defeated us.
One more will. Are we playing? Are we in the same pool?
I have no idea, bro.
Are
No
we in the
idea.
same pool?
This is like,
Okay,
this is a
we
very
will check.
confusing pool.
Yeah,
this time.
I don't know how that works.
Yeah.
Same. So I saw the 5-5 they were divided. It's on Wikipedia.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah.
I didn't read it. I
Yeah,
was like,
yeah,
it's too
next match.
confusing.
Okay, so
Cool.
now plays of the week or whatever, moments of the week.
Segment. Oh, yeah, okay.
Moments of the week segment, we all pick one or two things.
The moment of the week from Rivalry Week.
Your rivalry week. Like, are you coming a little? Yeah, you should. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
For me, I mean, you guys will bring others. For me, it has to be Jitesh Sharma's batting.
Okay.
Yeah, very clever, very smart, very proactive. Even when Bumrah was bowling Yorkers, he evolved over that over.
Yeah.
And for me, and his keeping is absolutely mind-blowing.
Nice.
His keeping is brilliant. I
Dude,
love
mean,
it.
like, insane number of fielders in Indian team, like Dhruv Jurel,
Yeah.
Jitesh Sharma.
Another keeper
Keeper.
batsman.
That's why
Yeah,
I got
he's a-
confused with Dhruv Jurel and Tilak Verma.
Tilak
Ah,
Yeah.
Dhruv Jurel,
Yeah.
insane keeper and insane fielder also.
Yeah.
Very good fielder. So I'm just like surprised, like
That's what
after
you said,
Dhoni.
no, Jitesh Sharma, that Bumrah thing, right? If you score 8, 9, 10 runs against Bumrah, that's a win.
Yeah.
That's so people were trying to score 16 and he gives you 5 runs.
Yeah.
And Jitesh Sharma is like, no, bro, I just one boundary is enough.
Enough.
Yeah. How
that's
many
it.
Yorkers can he land?
Yes,
Yeah, exactly.
yes.
So,
It's like that's what I'm like. No, I'm telling like kind of Dhoni kind of made wicket keeping cool. That's why more wicket because
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Great
nobody
point.
saw
True,
it like
exactly. After
Nobody looked at
Dhoni-
Nayan Mongia as like I want to be that guy.
yeah.
When I grew up, you know that never happened.
Dude, there were so many after Nayan Munga. Sabah Kareem, these days.
Yeah.
Ajay
Sabah
Ratra.
Kareem is
Yeah,
like
Sabah
lovely.
Kareem was before Nayan Mongia, right?
Yeah, around similar time.
Yeah, I thought
he
it was
only played when Nayan Mongia was being investigated by CBI.
Then we were investigated by CBI.
yeah, match fixing.
Match fixing that whole that Azharuddin shit.
Bro, there was a time when India had like pure wicket keepers.
Yeah,
Batsmen.
Yeah, they were not a
Syed
batsman, they were not a
They are
Kiran More.
11 down. They
Yeah.
come at 11. After Bumrah, they'll come, bro.
They are wearing the gloves everywhere. They're like this. I can only do this.
Oh, man.
But
What's,
that's what I'm saying. The number of wicket keeper like Sanju Samson also is great.
Yeah.
I mean, he's also a good wicket keeper.
Your is Jitesh Sharma. What is your moment of the
Moment of the week. It has to be RCB only. Winning against
MI?
MI was
At
a great
Wankhede.
moment. I'm like, for me,
Did you see at one point they were when Mumbai's Tilak Verma got out?
Huh?
They were shouting RCB
Yeah.
in Wankhede, bro.
Yeah.
RCB in Wankhede. That was like mind blowing.
Yeah,
to see.
yeah.
No, because that's Kohli, bro. Kohli
Yeah.
has a hardcore fan
Brand,
base. That's why.
yeah.
Yeah.
And dude, is there any team that has supported a team with this level of failure?
Yeah, no.
That's
like
us.
CSK fans after winning
One-
5 trophies
yeah.
are yelling at them.
They are yelling at like,
Yeah.
"Inna pandrar, bro," all that shit. They did.
Yeah. India only adar, bro.
Yeah,
Sorry.
they- all
sorry.
that shit
No,
they-
even Portugal won something, bro. RCB has not.
Portugal won 1 euro. Chalo.
Euro championship. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
as a Ronaldo fan, I
Ronaldo
want
had to get injured. So Kohli, you also get
Yeah.
injured. Yeah.
in the final. Ronaldo was injured, bro.
Yeah.
I was
Kohli has to get injured and become coach for like one match. Final.
Dinesh Karthik had to retire and become batting coach for us to start playing well.
Yeah.
For me, my moment of the week was that Rahane and Raghuvanchi's partnership, bro.
Wow, great
nice.
call.
Great
because
call.
I was watching because you get that 1 hour before mics before
Ah.
going. I'm watching. I'm like, dude, KKR is finished. Then I saw that pickup shots, bro. from
Yeah.
Rahane. And seeing that guy also went crazy, dude. Raghuvanshi.
Raghuvanshi is
batter.
very good batsman. Very
Yeah.
good batsman. Thoda flamboyant, but good. I mean, I don't
He's
mind
too
the,
young, dude. He's
I don't
too
mind the
young.
Yeah.
flamboyance because
Yeah.
right now that's the trend. You watch any Abhishek, Tilak, these guys are like, we're not like the humble cricketers anymore.
No, which is fair.
Yeah, don't do
We
shit.
are
You perform on the ground, do whatever you want.
Dude, T20 is the future.
Yeah.
As much as you know, none of these players can play.
Like, do you
test
remember?
match.
Like, I saw like these guys showed up to the T20 World Cup. Like, they were not in the playing 11.
Yeah.
They were in the stand, and all these guys are wearing party shirt.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all
Rinku
these
Singh and these
Rinku
guys,
Singh,
yeah.
all these guys. I'm like, bro, I've always seen Rahul Dravid in formal shirt.
Yeah.
Like Sachin, all these guys.
Yes,
These guys never.
yes.
So I'm telling the flamboyance, I like it. If you're
Yeah,
performing, fucking
yeah,
go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which we talked about a lot of wicket keepers. Which one do you think can be a good test player also?
Jurel,
Jurel.
bro, he
Dhruv
has to
Jurel.
be top of my list.
And I
Jurel.
also think Jitesh Sharma.
Jitesh.
Sanju
Jitesh
Samson,
Sharma
no.
too soon. I think very little data.
Sanju Samson, no. Tilak Verma, no.
Tilak Verma not a
KL
keeper,
Rahul,
bro.
no.
Tilak Verma not a keeper. Sorry.
Yeah. KL Rahul play as a pure batter.
Yeah.
KL
So
Rahul.
see, if you play, okay, for his sake, if you play KL Rahul as a pure batter, it's easier to drop him if
Yeah.
he doesn't do well.
Yes.
Yes. And Jitesh Sharma, yes, I agree.
I mean, very little data for me. I
Ishan
think.
Kishan, no.
Ishan Kishan, no.
For test, right? Dude, it has to be Jurel, bro.
Jurel, bro.
Jurel
That's
is
the
first running.
Yeah.
But
Pant-
he's saying more.
I mean, after Pant, that's Jurel. Like, he should be reserve, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of.
Because
Yeah. But
Pant is fucking great in test match, dude.
Yeah.
He's like,
I would. Jurel is so good that he can play as pure batter.
6 down, bro.
Yeah.
If you're playing in India, I would Nitish Kumar Reddy. Sometimes Nitish Kumar Reddy is not bowling. You can pick Jurel over Reddy.
Yeah.
In bouncy pitches, I would prefer. I can put both of them, bro.
Nitish Kumar Reddy, I won't bowl him in India.
No,
Yeah.
not needed.
I would bowl him in like New Zealand, South Africa, and
yes,
England.
Yes, he can
Yeah.
surprise you with that bouncer, bro.
Yeah.
Like Sean
and
Marsh kind
and
of.
swings also.
Yes.
So great.
Yes.
he clocks in 130, right?
Yeah.
135.
Yeah.
I think we should wrap it up. It's
Yes,
1 hour,
we
8
should-
minutes.
We should wrap it up.
Great podcast. Thank you so much for listening, guys. This is called Impact
Yes.
in Line. It's on YouTube. Check it out. Whenever you got, leave
Do
comments.
comment what you want us to talk about.
What you like, what you didn't like. Tell us that this is where you should shut up. We will shut up there.
Yes.
This is where you should talk
Or
more.
If you want us to go hard at some player, please tell us.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have no loyalty.
Yes.
Nothing except RCB, dude.
Yes, RCB.
Yeah.
No, but we'll bitch about RCB also if they
Of
fuck
course,
up.
dude.
Which they
Two
will.
match back-to-back losses. That will test my loyalty.
For sure. You know what? I just like you. Your clock is running out.
Yes, RCB better win this season, dude.
Yeah.
It's my patience is running out.
Yeah, check it out, guys. Thank you so much. My name is Anand Ratnam, Adya Natarajan, Somnath Padi. This is the Impact in Line podcast. See you soon. Bye.
Yeah, bye.